Hey Code Websters, so today I just wanted to show you a quick video. So what we're doing here is we've got our a huge Python file that I've been writing up. It's just a project that I've been working on. Essentially what I have is I've got paint, right? And I've made I can make letters. So let's say I make the letters, that's a bit thick. Let's use, right, 7, although that's a bit thin. Weird. All right, let's just go 7 again. All right. Okay, so I've got that 7, right? I can save it, file, save as, and I've got this list of numbers here. So I'm gonna go 7.png. Yeah, we're gonna replace the one that already exists. Exit out of that. Essentially, I made a program using machine learning, or neural networks to be exact, which can analyze it to a certain performance and check what number that is. So let's go change that in. We're in the same directory, 7.png. While that's loading, I also wanted to tell you guys I made this completely from scratch. So we're not using any packages, we're not using anything. All we're using is NumPy. Okay, we are using, it's not completely from scratch, but we're using NumPy. We're a bit of using some image analysis to analyze the pixels, but and plotting the graphs. But other than that, it's really essentially from scratch. And I'm gonna start a Python tutorial which explains neural networks from absolute scratch. We're gonna go convolution networks, all that jazz. We're gonna be building this from scratch initially, so you can actually understand it. All right, guys. So I've also plotted this. So this is what the computer actually sees. So obviously it's a bit blurry because we're working with the data, changing it to grayscales, and it's working by pixels, which are arrays. So it's a bit more focused. So let's just get rid of that and see what we've matched with. So the network actually says it's a 7, so that's expected. So what have I actually done here? I've got these arrays which show the probability it's associated with in percentage. So it's 10 to negative 2 right now. So if we go to 7, which is the 8th positional node, it's got the highest percentage at around 99.5%. So what we have is 99.5% is what our actual data checks it as. And obviously to show this is working for other numbers, let's try it for a 6 I have. So we can show it here. I've got this little 6 that I drew in paint as well. And we're gonna actually try it with that. I wrote 0 here, that's why it says no match, but I'm gonna write 6 here and it should say a match to a certain percentage. Now, using 60,000 data sets, it does take some time, and I'm using a computer of 8 gigabytes RAM. Pretty okay specs for a normal computer, but it still takes some time. The code's in the GitHub, so you can look at it if you just want to work on it yourself. Okay, I'll be right back until this loads. All right, guys, we're back, and this is what the computer sees when we've plotted it. So it's it looks like a 6 to our eyes, right? To a neural network's eyes, it looks like a 6, but a computer really can't understand that well. So let's exit that and see what it says. Okay, in fact, it said that only has a 74% chance of being a 6. Let's see if there are any honorable mentions. Let me just quickly sort this. I can't print it out now, damn it. But let's see. So I think the second highest one is -2s. So the highest one of -2s is still like a factor of 10 lower. So it's definitely showing us, hey, this says this has maybe a 4% chance, I'm pretty sure. So this has a 4% chance of being a 2, which I guess maybe, like if I wrote the 2 really weirdly and kind of misses out that little bottom, right? If I show you on paint, maybe it's something, 2 is like that. So if I wrote the 6, it kind of would be it, right? So normally 2 would be something like that. But if I guess the top half, something like that, I don't know. It says 1 has an even lower percentage. And I guess because I wrote the 6 like that, it's kind of 1 at rotation, but it's got that extra circle, which could be an error. That's why it gives it a less percentage. But yeah, so this shows 74%, and its performance, which I used, also the MNIST training data, is at around 95%. So it's pretty good at locating the right value or making it the maximum probability. So 95% of the times this will allocate your handwriting on paint. And yeah, hopefully pretty soon we're gonna be actually learning how to build this straight from scratch. Yeah, hit that subscribe button and welcome aboard.